How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now, as you all know, we've got cars lying about and we've not got the parts yet for them, so there's not really much we can do. So today, we've taken the time and we've came down to Burnham Auto Salvage. I love this place. Look at all the cool stuff we can look at. Shit, there's Dad over there. We're looking for Qashqai bits, we're looking for Fiat 500 bits, we're looking for all different kinds of parts. So let's have a look about, get some B-roll, because this is fun. I love doing this, and we'll see what cool stuff we can find.
I came down here hoping to find a Fiat 500 with the wing removed, which I did, but somebody's also drilled off the inner wing.
They've nicked the bit we needed.
They've nicked the bit I was looking for, but on this side's still complete, so this shows me what it's supposed to look like, and that crease and that kink is supposed to be there. So I knew this was supposed to be there for the crumple zone, but it had some hammer marks on the top, so I'm pretty happy with yours, knowing that this is in fairly good shape. We need this, but for the other side. Look at the shape of that, Charlie. That's what it's supposed to look like. You've obviously seen it.
I've seen what they've tried to make it.
Yeah, but unfortunately, is this the only 500 here?
What's the issue, Dad?
I've managed to find some wheel nuts that we need. I've managed to find a plug which I think we might need for the Fiat.
There was a Fiat 500 we could look at to kind of see what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, but there's one Fiat 500 in the whole place, and I can't even. There's supposed to be a white 69 plate Nissan Qashqai here, and I can't find it.
These bugs are annoying,
Yeah,
isn't they?
midges. Yeah, we're just going to have to go and do some more exploring.
It's starting to, these flies are doing
Go
my
on.
head in.
Let's just go and explore.
See if we
See
can
what we
find
find.
anything cool. See, you always find cool stuff up the back.
It's always tucked away in the corners where nobody looks.
Yeah. So, let's go have a look up the back. Corners and stuff.
I've just stumbled across our old Subaru that we sold. If you guys remember that a couple of months ago. We sold this. It's still here.
Still freshly detailed.
Still clean.
Still fresh. Saab's cool.
Look at the old 300.
Yeah, that's cool.
The Merc 300's sick.
What else we got? Saab. What's
So
it?
a wee Seat Ibiza FR.
That's mouldy, isn't it? Needs a clean.
Yes, they can't talk to the container.
It's hiding away up there. A C4, Dad. What Merc's that?
An E-Class.
The wheels are huge on it. Type S.
Type S Honda Civic.
That's cool.
So we've managed to find a Qashqai, which is great, and it's had a whack in the other side, but it has got the fog light we need, which is a good start. Unfortunately, the headlight's broken in the same place as yours is, so that's not going to be much good. But fog light and mounting bracket will be handy. So we'll take that. What else did we get off of this, Charlie?
Yeah.
The fan box. I'll probably just get some snips and take that plug as well in case our plug's broken. Right guys, there we go. Decent wee haul here. We've got the motorised fan flaps for the front, trim piece for the side of the radiator, trim piece for under the bumper. We've got the parcel shelf that was missing. For some reason they love to steal a parcel shelf out of Copart. We've got the front fog light. I'm sure that's the right side. It is the right side, isn't it, Charlie?
Yeah, it is.
Right, so one thing I can't find here is the boot floors. Well, I've found a couple, but if you look at these cash guys, the boots are open in all of them. So these secondary false floor bits, they're all swollen and water damaged and bent, so they're no good. Absolutely no good. Yeah. Nothing else. This one's had a sore hit. Believe it or no, this is a cash guy. And I can't help but wonder if the man had tread on his tyres, would he have stopped in time? I think he might have. Right, anyway, next we've got a little Fiat 500 here. Now, it has had a little bit of a whack here, but I reckon we can bend that back to where it needs to be, and it'll be a slightly better repair than what the one ours has got.
Look what I found.
What have you found? Oh, is that a straight one?
But it's not bent.
That's one bit of it. You need that bit as well.
Is that bit alright?
No, that bit's all swollen out. Actually,
I'll go have a look.
wait a minute. This one might clean up. That one there's bowed, Charlie.
I saw that one, yeah.
That one there's bowed. Where did you find that one?
This black cash guy.
Oh, I never even seen that one.
The boot doesn't open.
Right, chances are it might be in there then. Right, I'm going to go and help Charlie with this.
Right, so I think we've got everything we need off the cash guys, right?
I think so.
So we've found as much as we can, and we've got as much as we know we need, right? So now it's time to have a look at this crashed Fiat 500, because behind this wing is that mounting bracket that I don't know what has happened to ours, but it's definitely not right. So
Somebody
hopefully,
had to go out fabricating a new one on ours, I think.
yeah. So hopefully, once we get this wing off, we can get that bit. We'll cut out the spot welds. Hopefully, it's not too bent up, right?
No, it's bent in a little bit, but I think we'll be able to bend it back.
This is a really nice Fiat 500. It's got like the 50-50 interior, like half leather, half fabric.
Yeah.
And this flat bottom stereo, I think that's cool. You said you were going to get one of them for the Alpha.
I was, but they sell for loads of money on eBay.
Oh, look at this. The key, I think it starts.
No, that might. Our battery's disconnected, but it's got a battery in it.
Oh, we could get the sport headlights.
Are they both pull?
Oh, there's one there.
No, we don't need to upgrade that much, do we?
That'd be cool. I don't know. That'd be cool.
Charlie,
But anyway, yeah?
have we got that bracket?
What bracket?
That one there?
Yeah.
Is that on ours, aye?
Yeah. Right, I'll set these up on time lapse and me and Dad will see if we can get this off.
Right, there we go. We've got the Fiat 500 wing bracket as well. We did manage to find a couple of dry floors for the cash guy out of that one there. Eh?
Now getting wet because it's raining.
Yeah, it's now started drizzling, but we also managed to get a good wheel with a Bridgestone tyre. But now we have to try and get all of this all the way up to the top of the hill and pay for it all. Right, here we go. Right guys, we're back for lunch. We've just had the cheeky wee meal deal for Asda. Sushi was nice.
£5, man.
£5 each, yeah.
It's no Tesco meal deal, but
Yeah, so anyway, it's time to get this off and get this on and make it look proper. So we've got a bit of grinding work. It's going to be loud and noisy, so I'll just throw it in a time lapse and get this cut off.
And I'm going to take this off.
Are you going to take that off?
Well, why do we need to take it off?
We've not got a new one yet.
That's true. I'm not going to take it off.
There wasn't a new one in at the breaker's yard.
I could. Oh no, we don't need it right now. You can't get the bumper on, right? Just to mock it up.
We can set the bumper on to mock it up, yeah.
Cool.
Hopefully we can get it fitting a wee bit better. But yeah, let's roll a time lapse and get this back off. Right guys, sorry that was a bit of a longer time lapse, but we've managed to recreate the front of the 500. Now, it's no perfect because the metal was really thin. It wasn't the best, it was all bent out of shape, but we've managed to get, can you see it from there? We've got the spot welds back on the inside, spot welds are back on the outside. I've managed to just shape up the bottom of that and get it re-welded. It's got a wee coat of Bianco on it. We've got the proper wing bracket and it is now very, very secure. So we've went from this to this in a couple of hours. So hopefully the front end of this car should line up a lot better now. Fingers crossed. We'll let that paint dry, then we'll bolt this down and we'll get it put back together. Before we go, we've got one of your biggest fans. I don't know where he's went. Charlie? Alfie? There you go. We've got young Alfie here. He's been a fan of the channel for a while. What you got to say about it, Alfie? Do you like home built?
Yes.
Good. Young Alfie's going to be the first person, other than us, to put a sticker on the electric box. So, Alfie, where's it going to go?
So, look at this.
Alfie's got a YouTube channel as well. What do you do on your channel, Alfie?
This. Play about.
Just play about?
Go outside.
That's what we do.
I think
We just play about as well. Right, where are you going? Are you going there, Alfie?
yes.
Make sure it's stuck on. Look at that. Ah, it's a 3D sticker as well. It's spongy.
What'd you say? Oh!
Boo!
Ah!
But there you go. Young Alfie, the first fan to put a sticker on the electric box.
Except from you two.
Except who?
You two, because
I put some on, but I just made a start. Do you know who Adam LZ is? Do you watch him? Nah. Is he not as good as us?
I've not watched them.
You should try him. He's better than us. Right guys, Fiat 500's done. Stickers on the wall. We need to wait for the paint to dry before we can put the wing back on and put the headlight back in and see if it lines up. But that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you again on Wednesday. Charlie?
Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.